Next topic is multiplication of fractions. Some figures are here. The shaded portions represent the fraction 2 by 5. Total 5 parts are there. Out of 5, 2 are shaded. And this also represents the fraction 2 by 5. Here also 2 by 5. We have to add these fractions. We already studied the addition of like fractions. How do we add the like fractions? To add like fractions, we have to add the numerators first. Add the numerators 2 plus 2 plus 2 and write the same denominator. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So 6 by 5 is the answer. Here 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is the repeated addition of same fraction. We can multiply. How many times we have to add here? 3 times. 3 times 2 by 5. We can multiply the same like this. How do we multiply? We have to multiply the numerators by the repeated number. That means 3 2s are 6. Write the denominator 5. So the answer is 6 by 5. Okay? Or otherwise, we can write 3 equals 3 by 1. 3 means 3 by 1. Multiply the numerators and also multiply the denominator also. 3 into 2 equals 6. 1 into 5 equals 5. Clear? Next is multiplication of proper and improper fractions. Multiplication is very easy. We can multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. We can easily do that. First one, 1 by 7 into 3 by 11, which is equals 1 into 3 by 7 into 11, which is equals 3 by 77. Okay. There is no common factor between 3 and 77. So we cannot reduce it into simplest form. This is the simplest form of the fraction. Okay. Second one, 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So we can write 3 into 2 by 4 into 5. Clear? Which is equals 3 2s are 6 by 4 5s are 20. Here 6 and 20 are even numbers. We can divide both sides by 2, or 2 is a common factor of 6 and 20. We can cut both sides by 2. How many times 2's are there in 6? 3 times 2's are there in 6. In 20, how much times 2's are there? 10 2's are 20. So the simplest form is 3 by 10. There is no common factor again in 3 and 10. So 3 by 10 is the simplest form. Clear? Next is 5 into 21. 5 into 21 by 7 into 10, which is equals 5 into 21 equals 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 105 by 7 into 10, 70. Here the units place digit is 5 and 0. So both are divisible by 5. We can divide both sides by 5. In 1 there is no 5. In 10, 2 5s are 10. In 5 how much time? 5s are there. 1 time. 21. Okay. Then in 70 how much time 5s are there? In 7, 1 5s are 5. So we can cut and write here 1 5. But here some balance is there. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So 2 is a carryover. We can write here, then this 0 become 20. In 20 how much time? 5s are there. 4 5s are 20. So 21 by 14. 21 by 14. Okay. Then here 21 and 14 are divisible by 7. How much times 7s are there in 21? 3 times 7s are there. 3 times 7s are there in 21. In 14, 2 times. Okay. So the simplest form is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. So we can change it into mixed fraction. How do we change? 3 divided by 2. Okay. 3 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2. So which is equals 1 by 2. This is the simplest form. Clear? Multiplication of a whole number and a fraction. Example, find 3 by 8 of 20. 3 by 8 of 20 means 3 by 8 into 20. We can write 20 by 1. Okay. Then we can multiply. 3 2s are 6. 3 zeros are 0. 60 by 8. Okay. Here both sides. Here 60 by 8. 60 and 8 are even numbers. So we can divide both sides by 2. How much time 2's are there in 6? 3 times. 3 2's are 6. In 0, 0 times 2's are there. So 0. Then in 8, how much times 2's are there? 4 2's are 8. Okay. Again here 30 and 4. 30 and 4 are even numbers. We can divide both sides by 2. In 3, how much time 2's are there? 1 time. 1 2's are 2. 1 carry over. So this 0 become 10. In 10, how much time? 5 2's are 10. So 15. Here 2 2's are 4. 2 times 2's are there. Now the fraction is 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is an improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed fraction. 15 divided by 2. How much time? 7 2's are 14. Which is equals 7 1 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Another method. We can write 3 by 8 into 20 by 1. Okay. We can cut from here itself. We can cut 8 and 20. Here 8 and 20 are the multiple of 4. So we can cut both sides by 4. 2 times 4s are there in 8. 5 times 4s are there in 20. Then 3 into 5 equals 15 by 2. In this way also we can do. We can cut from here itself. Okay. Multiplication of a whole number and a mixed fraction. Example. Multiply 3 1 by 5 into 10. First example is that. First we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 1 by 5 equals 3 into 5 plus 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 5 into 10. We can cut from here itself 5 and 10. Both are multiple of 5. So we can cut here. In 5, how much 5s are there? 1 5s are there. In 10, how much 5s are there? 2 5s are 10. Okay. So the answer is 16 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry over. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 32. 32 by 1 means 32 itself. Clear? Then B. Here 4 2 by 3 into 7. 4 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. We can convert it into improper fraction. B. 4 2 by 3 into 7. Here 4 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 into 3 plus 2. 4 into 3 equals 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3 into 7. Okay. Then 14 into 7 equals 7 4s are 28. 2 carry over. 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 98 by 3. Then 98 by 3. 98 by 3 is an improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed fraction. 98 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 is the remainder. So, which is equals 32. 2 by 3 is the answer. Clear? Multiplication of mixed fraction. First one, 4 1 by 5 into 3 4 by 7. Both are mixed fractions. First we have to convert them into improper fraction. 4 into 5 plus 1. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 5 into 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 by 7. Okay. Here we can cut 5 and 25. 5 is in denominator and 25 is in numerator. So we can cut these two numbers. First, in 5, 5 one time. In 25, 5 5s are 25. Okay. We can cut here 21 and 7 also, because both are multiple of 7. In 7, how much 7s are there? 1. In 21, 3 7s are 21. Okay. Which is equals 5 into 3 equals 15. So 15 is the answer. Okay. Clear? Next, B. B. Here 3 fractions are there. Mixed fractions are there. We have to convert all mixed fractions into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 into 1 into 5 equals 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 5 into 3 into 11 equals 33. 33 plus 2 equals 35 by 11. Clear? Here 11 and 11. Here in numerator 1 11 and in denominator also 1 11. We can cut both 11 and 11. Clear? Then 5 is in denominator, 35 is in numerator side. Here 5 is a multiple of 5 and 35 also a multiple of 5. We can cut both by 5. In 5 one time, in 35 7 times. Okay. So 7 7s are 49 by 4. Clear? 49 by 4 is an improper fraction. We can divide like this. 1 4s are 4 and subtract. Then 9. In 9, how much time 4s? 2 times 4s are 8. 1. Which is equals 12. 1 by 4 is the answer. Clear? Division of fraction. Before we go on to the division of fractions, we need to know the meaning of the term reciprocal. What is reciprocal? The reciprocal of a number is obtained by dividing 1 by the given number. That means reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 100 means 1 by 100. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 equals, actually it is 2 by 7 by 1. That means, which is equals 7 by 2. The reciprocal of all fractions are just change their numerator and denominator, interchanging their numerator and denominator. The numerator will come as denominator and denominator will come as numerator. Okay. Then the reciprocal of 4 by 11 is equals 11 by 4. Clear? Divide 2 by 9 by 4 and 5 divided by 15 by 16. These are the two questions. To divide a fraction by another, we multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second. Here 2 by 9 divided by 4. 4 is a whole number. So we can multiply the reciprocal of 4 equals reciprocal of 4 equals 1 by 4. We already discussed that. Then to divide 2 by 9 by 4, we should multiply 2 by 9 into the reciprocal of the 4. That means 1 by 4, which is equals, here we can cut 2 and 4. 2 times 2's are there in 4 and 1 time 2's are there in 2, which is equals 1 into 1, 1 and 9 2's are 18. 1 by 18. It is a proper fraction. Then B, 5 divided by 15 by 16. We can write 5 into reciprocal of 15 by 16 equals 16 by 15. We can cut 5 and 15. How much time 5's are there in 5? 1 in 15, 3 times. 1 into 16 equals 16 by 3. 16 by 3 is an improper fraction. We can convert it into a mixed fraction. How? 16 divided by 3 is equals 5 3's are 15. Remainder 1. So the answer is 5 1 by 3. Clear? Divide 3 by 8 divided by 4 by 9. To divide 3 by 8 by 4 by 9, we need to multiply 3 by 8 by the reciprocal of 4 by 9. Reciprocal of 4 by 9 equals 4 by 9 equals 9 by 4. 3 by 8 into 9 by 4. We cannot cut, so we can multiply directly. So 9 3's are 27 by 8 4's are 32. There is no common factor between 27 and 32. So this is the answer. Next, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 into 11 equals 33. 33 plus 2 equals 35. 35 by 11 divided by 7 by 11. To divide 35 by 11 by 7 by 11, we should multiply 35 by 11 into the reciprocal of 7 by 11. Reciprocal of 7 by 11 equals 11 by 7. So we can cut these two. Again we can cut here 7 and 5 times 7's are there in 35. So 5. 5 by 1 means 5 itself. 5. Clear?